Ever pondered what would happen if we tossed our trash on the moon? On the surface, it may seem like a novel idea. We've got a lot of junk and the moon's got a lot of space. Plus, it's not like anyone's living there, right? We could free up landfills, reduce pollution, and maybe even find a new use for all that lunar real estate. But as it turns out, using the moon as Earth's celestial garbage bin isn't the stellar solution we might imagine. It's not as simple as loading up a rocket with refuse and launching it into the cosmos. There are a myriad of factors to consider, from environmental and technological challenges to ethical questions and legal concerns. Not to mention, there's the issue of space debris and the potential risks to our satellites and future lunar missions. But before packing up our garbage and shipping it off to the moon, let's consider the implications. So, what could possibly go wrong if we dumped our trash on the moon? Quite a lot, actually. For starters, we could fundamentally alter the lunar environment. Earthly garbage could contaminate the moon's soil, change its surface properties, and disrupt its natural processes. This would have serious implications for future scientific research and lunar exploration. Then there's the issue of space debris. The more we launch into space, the more cluttered our cosmic backyard becomes. This debris could threaten spacecraft, satellites, and future lunar missions, making space a more hazardous place to navigate. Ethically, the idea of using the moon as a cosmic landfill raises some serious questions. The moon holds a special place in our collective consciousness. Polluting it with our waste could be seen as a disrespectful and short-sighted act. Legally, it's a minefield. Treaties like the Outer Space Treaty lay down the law for how we should behave in space. Dumping our trash on the moon could violate these agreements and open up a can of legal worms. Technologically, we'd have to overcome some massive hurdles. Sending anything into space is a complex and costly affair. The feasibility of shipping large amounts of waste to the moon is uncertain at best. And let's not forget public perception. Many people view the moon as a pristine celestial body that should be preserved and protected. The public backlash against lunar littering could be significant. All these factors make the moon a less than ideal garbage dump. So if not the moon, then where does all the trash go? Well, the answer lies in rethinking our approach to waste management right here on Earth. Reducing, reusing, and recycling should be our first line of defense. We need to focus on creating less waste, repurposing what we can, and finding innovative and sustainable ways to manage the rest. Let's not look to offload our problems elsewhere, but rather take responsibility for them ourselves. In the end, the best place to deal with Earth's waste is right here on Earth.